In this video, we will go through the 4 different types of users, the default settings, how to set up a new user, how to bulk import users, and the permissions. We recommend you set up your users before you jump into projects, as when you come to creating projects, it helps to have your users already set up so then you can assign them to the relevant project. Let's go through the different types of users. There are 4 types of users in a sliding scale in terms of access to settings. There's the super user, the office manager, the site manager, and the site operative. As the name suggests, the super user is the main administrator who manages the company account, with access to edit all of the features. There can only be 1 super user per account, so if you want more than 1 admin for the account, add the others as an office manager. The site manager has access to most of the ordering permissions, but with less admin permissions. The site operative has the basic order processing permissions, but is unable to amend the company's orders, projects, users, or features. When you create any type of user, the default settings are the ability to shop and place quick orders and manage and receive notification for their own orders. These can be customized to your preferences. To create a user in the My Account menu under Settings, there is Manage Users. Click on this and it will bring you to the Manage Users page. And up on the top right, click the button that says New User. Then you just have to fill out the user's first and last name, email address, and role type, and send the invite. A pop-up box will appear where you can amend the user's permissions and assign them to projects. They will get an email like this where they can confirm their invitation by clicking Accept Invitation, and this will prompt the user to create a password to complete the creation of their account. As the admin, you can see if the user has accepted the invite because they have a tick by their name like so. Also on the Manage Users page, you can search by your users or filter by active and deactivated users. Deactivated are just your archived users. To bulk import users, you can go to the CSV import, and then this takes you to the page where you can download the import template here and add as many users as you'd like. Simply put in their email address in the first column, first name in column B, last name in column C, and user type in column D. As explained here, 1 is Office Manager, 2 is Site Manager, and 3 is Site Operative. Once you put in your relevant user information into the Excel, all you need to do is save it. To import it, press Choose File, select it out of your folder, and then press Import. You can import your file while it's open or closed, and once completed, you can see all the users here, which will have crosses next to them because they are unconfirmed. You also have the option to resend the invitation by clicking the email icon here. The box icon will archive the user, which means it deactivates it and they will no longer be able to access their account. And then the pen allows you to edit all the permissions for any user. One setting that each user can change themselves is their notifications. Every user has access to get notifications from any projects, quick orders placed by them, and their own orders dispatched and delivered. Not all users will have access to company order or requisition notifications, but they can be CC'd into these notifications by the admin users. And that covers the users feature. Thanks for watching.